Hello everyone, I'd like to share with you a few trades that were posted on Wednesday, 7th of June 2023. These trades here were shared by AP, who's trading S&P 500 in form of CFD. As you see, the macro chart reached an area of static resistance and couldn't hold this price. And you can see that in the structural chart, the price started to go down, and you can see that red candle here forming, and the price got rejected at this level, so we entered multiple position with setup C, and then later we can see that is managing this trade and is adding two positions with the setup T, and we can see the trade management here. Some of those positions were trailed, and then again after seeing more pullback, he's adding more positions to the trading charts when the pullback is completed based on Algo 1 to 5, and we can see that he's trailing and managing this position again and setting some of the targets. Most of the entries reached the target, and he closed all of this now at this level, and these are the trades that he took today, and very good risk to reward ratio and some good runners. So thank you AP for sharing your trades with us. The next trades were shared by Castra, or Global Instructor, who's trading here USD Turkish Lira. And as you see, he entered several weeks ago. This is a weekly chart, this long position, and is holding this now and entered here with very good risk to reward ratio. And we can see the daily chart for this swing trade that the breakout happened at this level, and he's managing now this trade on a daily basis and is very close to the target on the other side of dynamic resistance. The next trade that Castra shared was on gold USD, and as you see, the macro shows a sideways wide range, and within that sideways there's another sideways channels, so you can see that better in the structural chart. So using setup B, he saw rejection here and entered here with very good risk to reward ratio, and is holding this with profit and is going to close it on the other side of dynamic resistance. So thank you Castra for sharing your trades with us. The next trade was shared by Jan, our Global Instructor, who's trading Nasdaq futures. As you see here, the macro chart is showing clearly a very strong downtrend, and we can see that in the structural chart there was some pullback that got completed and the sellers came back again. So using a 5-second trading chart, he identified area of pullback and entered here and exit and took multiple positions. So 3 sell short position was taken, and this reached 100% win rate, so the profit factor cannot be calculated as shown as 99 because it's infinite. The average winning trades were $81 and the largest winning trade was $90. So thank you Jan for sharing your trades with us. The next few trades are those I have taken during the New York market session, and the video with detailed explanation was sent to students yesterday, so I'm gonna replay the video here for you. Hello everyone, I'd like to share with you my trades taken today on Wednesday, 7th of June 2023. These trades were taken on Nasdaq and Russell futures. As you see from the 1-hour macro chart, during the Globex session, the price on Nasdaq and most E-minis were fluctuating between the previous day close and high, and during the New York market session it started to go up, and the move that started before pre-market was continued even past the previous day high, and around 950 couldn't hold it, and it started to go down past the previous day close and low. So that was dropped more than a few days ago low, and it seems the buyers are coming back. Anyway, during the New York market session, I started to trade this uptrend channel here. As you see, around 940 to 10 is candles, and you can see them here on Nasdaq and Russell, and also just close to the market around 320, and testing this level of point of control. And this area showed temporary uptrend channel, so I started to trade this area that was going up, and just took a few more trades on the Nasdaq, And the result of these trades were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funds accounts. And we can see the result was showing the profit factor, which was 16 with high win rate of 90% from these long trades, and still average win to loss ratio was 1.84, and the largest winning trade was 280, and the largest losing trade was $74. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.